Claude fix this organization has been disabled. 2026. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "this organization has been disabled" error in Claude. This error is frustrating, but usually fixable in under 5 minutes. The most common cause is an old API key from a disabled organization sitting in your environment variables. When you have both an Anthropic API key and a valid Claude Pro or Max subscription, the API key overrides your subscription, and Claude tries to authenticate with the disabled key instead. Open Command Prompt or Terminal, type echo Anthropic API key $ and press Enter. If it shows a key, that's your problem. Type unset Anthropic API key on Mac Linux or env Anthropic API key equals on Windows PowerShell. Close your terminal completely. Reopen Claude, the error should be gone. If the error persists, the API key might be stored in your shell profile. On Mac Linux, open Terminal, type nano_bash profile or nano_zshrc. Look for any line containing Anthropic API key. Delete that line, press Ctrl+X then Y then Enter, close Terminal and reopen Claude. Open Claude Desktop or Claude AI, click your profile, click Settings, click Sign Out completely. Close the app, reopen it, sign back in with your email or Google account. Click through all authentication steps. This refreshes your subscription authentication and overrides the old API key. Visit status.claude.com. If you see red indicators or service degradation, Claude's servers are having issues. Wait for service to recover. March 11, 2026 had a widespread outage that caused thousands of false disabled errors. A simple status check can save you hours of troubleshooting. Windows, press Windows key +R. Type %local app data %bic/Anthropic Claude. Delete the entire folder, restart your computer, reopen Claude and sign in fresh. Mac, open Finder, press Command+Shift+G, type ~Claude. Delete the folder, restart and sign in. If none of the above work, visit support.claude.com. Tell them your exact error message, whether Claude AI works but Claude Code doesn't, what device and operating system you're using when the error started. Include your API key removal steps if you already tried that. Support typically responds within 24 hours. This error is not always a permanent account ban. Most cases are API key conflicts or temporary glitches. If you paid for Claude Pro or Max recently and got this error, it's usually the API key issue, not billing problems. Do not create a new account. Creating duplicates can trigger actual bans. Always contact support first before trying workarounds. Remove Anthropic API key from environment variables. Check shell configuration files. Log out and back in. Check service status. Clear authentication cache. Contact support if nothing works. That's it. If this fixed your issue, please like and subscribe. Comment below and let me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.